Oh, inside.
Yes.
Okay.
It's better.
Mm. Like this, right?
Yes. The world of gadgets. Even James Bond now will be surprised at what you guys are doing.
So what I have here is the S Tower. It's one of the signature tower that I have. Are made for the super rich private individuals that doesn't want to mix up with the crowd. So it has only 2 units on the floor, and they have their own private library, private lounge, private cinema, private outdoor, indoor gym, and the whole thing. You can call your lift from your phone. If you're getting home, you just call your lift from your phone. So that reception is what we designed only for people who has this type of luxury or budget to buy a from $3 million apartment. And the handover is next year, 2024. Yeah, so that's what I have there. And the total floor is 60 floor, and it's just there on the Sheikh Zayed Road. Yeah. No, videos are not allowed, but I can just show you from here. So this is how the tower is.
How are you?
Yes. So it all has private lounge. Like when you sit on your house, you can look out from the city, like floor to ceiling glass. That's what we provide for such individuals at a price of 4.3 million US dollars.
Okay,
Yes.
that's good.
Hmm? It's okay. We won't allow it.
How
We
much?
need $4.3 million.
$4.3 million.
Yes. Yes.
So it's like every project you have, your chairman has his own property.
Yeah, he has a property there.
Oh God, if you don't believe in your own project, how do you market it to other people?
Exactly. Yeah. So I've just shown you almost 6 locations across Dubai.
Yeah.
Like I said, and when I started, I said I have property starting from $300,000 up to $120 million. The range is there, the price is there, the opportunity.
$120 million
That's the price.
for
Yes.
one property or for a builder.
For one property. I will. Okay, let's
Living inside it.
let's go inside. I will show you one of the models of a 11-bedroom mansion. It's like an island on its own.
Okay.
That's like they didn't put the price, but it's expected to reach that amount. Yes.
Why did you put the price?
Because it's not released yet. I might be giving you wrong information. The price might be higher.
This property was sold in
220 million.
220 million.
Yes.
$20.
$20 million in Dubai.
In
Yeah.
Dubai,
Yeah.
$220 million.
Yes.
It comes with a ship or without.
I mean, when you hear some of these properties in Florida, in Miami, and all the properties they have in California, some of them are.
If my dad sold the property, I won't leave the house at all.
Yeah, that's in the Palm Jumeirah, in the island. Yeah. Right. You're going upstairs. So the property I wanted to show you, if you see here, I'm showing you this property here, this particular one. See this pointer,
Yes.
this one here. I want to show you the model. Voila, this is the model of the palace that we're making.
It has to be a balance.
It's gone beyond mansion. It's a palace. 11 bedrooms, solar panels on the roof. I mean, this is like a Buckingham Palace. It's like Buckingham Palace in the UK,
Which is bigger.
which is bigger, I guess. Yeah, it's bigger, yeah. But the whole edifice and models and handcrafted work, the interior and exterior design, pretty looks like this.
You have to be worth billions of dollars to live here.
Chief has seen enough.
I think he has seen enough. Yes. Yeah, sure. Please, after you.
Let's leave it.
We can sit in one of these places. You want us seated? Okay. Okay. Hi. Good. How are you?
Sorry, can I just ask a quick question?
Go ahead.
Did they take permission for the shoot? Did they take permission for the shoot, or just doing it with the phone?
Live video. Thank you.
No, because there are rumors that could stop it.
No, it's fine. No worries. Thank you. Yeah, I got it.
So,
Yes, sir. At your service. Okay. You want to give me a script?
no, it's okay. Just
Yeah, Mr. Dele, very nice to receive you in Shoba Heartland office, Dubai. I heard you were coming, so I was very expectant, and my eyes was on the road.
I look forward to meeting you too.
Thank you very much, and thanks to GTEX CEO who organized this meeting today. Thanks.
Call him Mr. Fix It. He has my button.
Okay.
I was in Rwanda last week when he contacted me. I want you to be in Dubai,
Wonderful,
and here we are.
wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. So, I mean, you've seen some of the opportunities we've discussed today. I'm sure it cut across all the types, all the property locations and different opportunities we have. So in case you need to speak to us about prices, about contracts, about how to go forward, we are very much ready to assist you and also to give you one of our best recommendations.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of friends in Africa, not just Nigeria, who always want me to advise because they know of my global contact. So that's one of the reasons they reached out to me. And they want their utmost privacy.
Yes.
They want it very confidential. These are not government
Yeah.
private individuals doing very well on their jobs, but they don't have the time to move around. So they need specialists, they need consultants who can help them. And of course, Ecom's highly recommended, respected, and so that is why we are partnering to see how we can do something with the organization. And what I've seen here, this is very impressive. And I like the fact that you're able to break everything down to its basics. So it's not like it's something that we just imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, well done.
Thank you. Thank you very
How
much.
long have you been doing this?
Well, I've been doing this for 12 years. This is my bread and butter. It's what I do every day. And I mean, I can assure you from what you just mentioned, our business is about secret. And one of my dear friends who comes from a government background, he used to say, the secret of success is in the secret.
That's nice.
Yeah, so it has to stay there, it has to bury there. Whatever happens in the moon stays in the moon. Whatever happens in this office stays in this office.
Oh, Africa is rising.
Yes.
I tell you, before you would think only government people can. I tell people that the private individuals I know are much more richer than God. How much can you steal in government?
Yeah.
So, and we don't deal with government.
Yes.
So that is what has kept us going. The fact that we know the private high net worth individuals across Africa. People are doing gold, they are doing diamonds, they are doing oil and gas, they are doing banking, you know. So when people talk about government, I tell people, government is no longer attractive, except if you are just lazy and you are not imaginative enough. People are, I mean, in IT, people are making billions all over the world. Nigerians in particular, everywhere you go from the US to Europe to Asia, you have the big guys. You have the big guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time coming here today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you, everyone.
So maybe you mix it up.
Yeah.
Maybe first